All right, welcome to OLOPRV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And we're the Wagners.
And this is our new project.
This is our new project, the box truck. Curtis just got it from Iowa.
Knoxville, Iowa. If you want to know where that is, it's way the hell up there from Biloxi, Mississippi.
And we wanted to show y'all since we just got it and to be part of our new journey now. We're
going to try to do better at taking pictures because the last one we waited until we were done and we was like, oh, here's the pictures.
We are really excited about doing the full renovations for you on YouTube, and I can't wait, and I'm very glad that y'all are here to join us. And we know our rig is not perfect. It does have rust.
Yes.
But it's nothing that we're scared of. It's just something we have to work around. And I can't wait to show you what it looks like now, and then we start the renovations tomorrow. Yeah.
So we're going to do a little tour. I'm going to be the cameraman. Johnny's going to be the front man. And
Vanna White.
He knows he's going to be Vanna. So we'll show you how we bought it.
Yeah, this is, we haven't touched it. We haven't done anything but take his water bottles that he was in when he drove it here. We took those out, but other than that, this is untouched from the very beginning when we bought it.
Yes.
So
here we go. All right, Vanna, show us the new rig.
Come on this way. Let's take y'all on in to show you what it looks like. This is the very front of it. Of course, we got the box that extended outward. The mother-in-law suite, I guess what it's called.
Attic, yeah.
Go ahead and look in it.
So this is a 2003 Ford E550, Ford E550, and it is a beast.
How many miles is on it, Curtis?
It just turned 200,000 when we bought it. It was 198 or 199 and some change. This wall will come out. That wall and that door comes out. We did it on our last one. It worked perfect. And then there's the box.
All right, let's take y'all in from the back and show you the back.
Vanna got mad last time because I filmed him and I didn't get his body as much. I thought we were more interested in the truck, but I was wrong.
All right.
Fold down step, which I love. We will leave that. It works great. And we love these doors. So they fold in half, kind of French dory.
Or full extending.
Or halfway and then full extending.
And this was a working truck. So everything was in here. That's how we bought it, you know. What did they do with this? What kind of
Electrical wiring. Electrical, like power company stuff.
And we know it has a lot of rust, but again, all we gotta do is put some rust remover and...
Right. Here's the reason Johnny bought it.
The floors?
The floors.
I
He
love the
loves the floors.
This is my favorite part about the rig. All we gotta do is sand it down and put some mahogany on the bottom.
Right.
I do like this too. We might try to salvage some of this for our cabinets for the kitchen.
Yep.
So, and when you close them, you push them back, and they're really sturdy. So I really like that for the kitchen. See if I can jump up here. Ow.
You're probably going to be dirty as hell.
I don't care. Ow, I hurt that. It hurt my ribs.
Oh. Well, there's a big old metal beam there.
Ow.
Johnny is so clumsy, if that's a word.
Okay, I'm coming back down.
Wow, you're supposed to get up there and lay down.
Oh, my bad.
Well, obviously.
This is what it would look like.
That's right.
Bed on it.
Can you sit up? Or no?
I cannot sit up. So.
We got to raise it. That's a bummer.
Yeah, we gotta raise it up a little bit here. I don't know how we're going to do that yet, but
I do.
Curtis has an idea. I can get down.
You need help? Nope. Good. So we got lockers. I don't think we'll use. Lots of storage. Just crazy, but I mean, it was for them, so. The only thing that bummed me out, oh, that shows it, is the wheel wells. I don't understand that. I got a ton of clearance. I don't know why we have wheel wells, but anyway, it is what it is. Can I stop it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I'm going to do a walk around with the doors open. So it's an E550, 55 gallon gas, Ford V10, 6 point something, 8 I think. It does have wheel simulators on it, which is nice. Tires are in good condition, so nothing we have to worry about right now. Box is in pretty good condition. You can see it said Mid-America Energy. But I love these security lights on it. Johnny could care less. But I love the E wheel wells, how far they stick out. So cool. Got a searchlight, so you people with your brights on, I can beam you. Of course, Johnny will remove that as soon as I say it.
You know it.
So, she's not perfect, but she's perfect for us.
No, they're good. No, I'm good. I'm sitting right here. I'm in the middle of the screen.
Oh, that's you like you want me out here, like way out here?
No,
out of your shot.
No, you're good. Come on in.
Okay.
All right. Well, this was a very fast video just to show you our next step for our journey.
Yep.
And thank you for following us. And don't forget, if you're not, to like, share,
And subscribe.
and
Hit the bell notification.
all right. Bing.